Good morning. Mm, This is a quick update on something little DIY that I tried on the running board, the side step running board of Gurkha. Little something that I had noticed was that since the stock running board it doesn't have any rubberized covering, if there is any water on it, it tends to when you put your foot on it, it tends to slip. So it's something that I found online and I thought of giving it a try. Now I've tried to put it on both the sides, but the tape that I had ordered online, it is running short, so I'm going to order additional one to fix. But currently what you can see is a partial fitting that I have done, and it's just a stick on. So here is what I'm referring to. So this is the running board, and this is where I've stuck the tape. It's just a stick on with a radium lining, and this portion is where it's short, so I need to order once again. Seems to be good fitting. That's how it looks. Let me show you how it looks on this side, where both it's all over. I mean, it's full size for this. The Let me get closer. The fit is good. I think I might have not been able to fit it correctly. There are some bubbles, it's like what you do with your screen guards, so you need to ensure that the fitting is good. This section here, this is quite rough and should give you good grip, is what I'm assuming. So I'm just trying to show you. So earlier what used to happen is, if this section was wet, as to keep my feet here, there was an opportunity for it to slip in this way. But now with this grip, this is pretty firm. I am feeling a bit more confident. I do not believe this might slip. So yep, this is an update. Let me know what you think about it. It's a very quick and Jugaad kind of an update. I ordered this online on Meesho for like 125 rupees for a roll, and it fits like the total roll. Both of these linings have been able to stick it on, and here is just one, and then one is what is left. So I'm going to order one more to fit it and complete this section here. I'll also think I might do a video of how it looks in the night, since it's the strip in the middle is radium. Let's see how it glows. Yeah, so that was just a quick update. Let me know your thoughts, and yeah, have a nice day. Thank you.